Hello everyone, I'm Shruti and I welcome you all to my channel Cook Easy with Shruti. In this video, we will see how to make a very delicious Aate Ka Halwa or whole wheat flour halwa in a very easy way. So, let's begin. In a wok or a kadhai, put 1 tablespoon of ghee. Here I have used cow ghee. Into it, add 1 tablespoon of roughly chopped almonds and cashews. Roast them until golden brown or nice crunchy, and this roasting has to be done on the low flame. Keep it aside. Now in the same wok or kadhai, add 3/4 cup of ghee. Once it is hot, add 1 cup of gehu ka atta or whole wheat flour. Mix it nicely. Keep stirring it for 15 minutes or it turns nice brown in color as shown in this video. And all this roasting we will have to do between low to medium flame. And it is very important to note that we have to keep on stirring nicely to avoid burning of flour at the bottom of the vessel. Once it is nice brown in color, add 2.5 cup of boiled water into it and keep stirring to avoid any lumps. If you want little more running consistency, you can add little more of water, and here I have added half cup of brown sugar, and if you want you can eat normal sugar as well as jaggery also. Mix it nicely, keep stirring, and our halwa is about to get ready. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, taste a bit, add more of sugar if required as per your taste. Once your halwa is done, you can see it has started releasing ghee from its edges. Now here we can add 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder and half of our roasted dry fruits. Let it cook for 1 more minute or so. Our halwa is ready to serve now. You can make it on any occasion or even without any occasion. It is awesome to eat, but do give it a try. And if you like this easy peasy recipe of Aate Ka Halwa, then do subscribe to my channel and like the video. Also, you can press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye and take care.